Now, this is what you do for examples like this. As you can see, is one expression outside of the bracket multiply. So you have one pair of brackets and you have an expression outside there multiplying to whatever inside. But what if you have two pairs of brackets like this one? This one is very common also. CXP may ask you to expand something like this. I'm going to create new numbers instead of these numbers there because this one is already done. Let's say you have 2x plus 5 times, I'm going to create one with positive numbers alone, just for simplicity, x plus 3. However, CXC will not give you one with positive numbers alone, so we have to do one with negative numbers. Now, imagine you have to expand something like this. Now, let us make reference to what we did a while ago. If you notice with this one, is the 4x squared, we took 4x squared y to the 4, we took and we multiplied twice. The 4x squared y to the 4, the whole 4x squared y to the 4, you can see it appeared twice. Look at there, 4x squared y to the 4, 4x squared y to the 4. Okay, so 2x plus 5 is like our 4x squared y to the 4. So the same way we grab the 4x squared y to the 4, you grab the 2x plus 5. So ignore the bracket for now. And you are going to multiply twice. You see how 4x squared y to the 4 with a multiplication sign appear twice? 2x plus 5 with the multiplication sign have to appear twice. And the reason for the twice is because you have x plus 3. You have x plus 3y squared, you have an x and a plus 3. Color code. An x and a plus 3. So just like how the x came here and the 3y squared came here, as you can see how they came here and came here, the x, that x there, have to come here. So it's 2x plus 5 times x and 2x plus 5 times 3. When you say 3, we mean a positive 3. And because it's a positive 3, then we put our positive there. So please take this down. So now what we're going to do, we're going to take that times x. We're going to multiply it to 5, 2x, x times 5. Plus x times 2x. X times 2x will give us 2x raised to the power of 2. All right, x times 5 is 5x. X times 5 is 5x. X times 2x is 2x squared. And here we're going to have 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is 15. And 3 times 2x is 6x. And now the 5x and the 6x, they can add because they are like terms. So we're going to get 2x squared plus 11x, because 5 and 6 is 11, and the plus 15. Let's do another example a little quicker. We're going to do one with negative numbers. Let's say, for instance, you have, let's put this back to black. Let's say you have 3x take away 2 times x plus 7. So this is what that's going to be multiplied to. So that's 3x plus time minus 2. Remember, that's not the only way this can be done, but I'm promoting this method. This 3x minus 2 going to be up twice. 3x minus 2 have to multiply to x, that x there. 3x minus 2 have to multiply to x. And 3x minus 2 have to multiply to 7. All right, please get that clear. I have to multiply 2, that 7 that is there. And actually, the plus that is coming between there is from that plus 3x. You see that plus I'm going to put there is from that plus, that invisible plus that is in front of the 3x there. There. Because that's a plus 3x. Open bracket. So 3x minus 2 times x, 3x minus 2 times 7. Now we're going to clear up 3x minus 2 now by multiplying by x. Now, as someone said, they prefer to have the 3x squared in one area. So let us start with the x by 3x squared. X by 3x is 3x squared. And x by minus 2 is minus 2x. And then we're going to do the 7 now. 7 by 3x is a plus 21x. And 7 by minus 2 is negative 40. And then you simplify the center term, minus 2 plus 21. You're going to take out 2 from 21. You're going to get 19x. Positive 19x. And the reason why I'm promoting this method, because factorization going to come next. You are going to be told to factorize a quadratic, and it's like the reverse process of that. We're going to start with a quadratic like this with 3 terms, have 4 terms, get that term, and then put it like that. Okay, so that is why I am promoting this method in over the 3x by x, 3x by 7, minus 2 by x, and minus 2 by 7. We all know that method, but I'm promoting this method because it actually shows you in detail the reverse process of factorization, which is another topic we have to deal with. So that's one way of expanding a pair of brackets like that. And when you do that, you always end up with a quadratic because you're going to have an x times x. And that quadratic can factorize to come back like how it was before with the brackets. Factorization is the reverse process of expansion.